Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Why is C# considered a cornerstone in the programming world, many might ask? The answer lies in its versatility, power, and the myriad of applications it supports. Today, we dive into the heart of this robust language, exploring its fundamentals and understanding why it holds a significant place in the world of programming. C#, pronounced as C#, is a general-purpose multi-paradigm programming language. It was developed around the turn of the millennium by Microsoft as part of its .NET initiative. C# has grown and evolved over the years, becoming one of the most popular and versatile languages in the tech industry. So, what makes C# a go-to language for many developers? One of the main reasons is its simplicity and ease of use. C# is a statically typed language, meaning variables must be declared before they're used. This allows for catching errors at compile time rather than runtime, making it easier to debug and maintain your code. For example, to declare a variable in C#, you would use the following format. A simple declaration might look like this. Here, int is the data type, my number is the name of the variable, and 10 is the value assigned to it. C# also supports object-oriented programming. This means you can create classes, objects, and methods, which can be reused and manipulated to fit your needs. This not only makes coding in C# more efficient, but it also makes your code easier to read and understand. For instance, to define a class in C#, use the class keyword followed by the name of the class. A class called dog might look like this. Inside this class, you can define properties and methods that pertain to a dog, such as its breed, color, or the action of barking. Furthermore, C# is a high-level language, meaning it's closer to human language and farther from machine code. This makes it more user-friendly and easier to learn, especially for beginners. C# is also incredibly versatile. It's used in a wide range of applications, from web and mobile apps to game development and even virtual reality. With C#, the possibilities are truly endless. To summarize, C# is a powerful, versatile, and user-friendly programming language. Its statically typed nature allows for easier debugging and maintenance, while its support for object-oriented programming promotes code reusability and efficiency. C#'s high-level nature makes it approachable for beginners, and its wide range of applications makes it a valuable tool for experienced developers. So, whether you're just starting out in the world of programming or you're a seasoned developer looking to expand your toolkit, understanding the fundamentals of C# is a great place to start. In a world where technology is constantly evolving, staying ahead of the curve means being adaptable and versatile, and C# certainly fits the bill. Remember, the journey of 1,000 lines of code begins with a single keystroke, so why not make that keystroke in C#?